Hey, good morning, guys. I'm headed down to the shop. I got my project to work on, my pickup. It's time to work on that. It's time to get it done. The motor that I had in it, I bought cheap lifters, and the lifters ended up breaking on it. So I tore it all apart, had the block washed out, cleaned everything up, put new main bearings in it, assembled it back together, and bought a new camshaft, bought new lifters, and now it's all assembled. My buddy's gonna bring it down to the shop for me, and I am going to try my best to get it done today. I don't see why I shouldn't be able to if I keep working hard at it, but that's the plan today, is try to get that thing done and hopefully drive it home. We'll see what happens, but I'll bring you guys along. I am not an experienced forklift operator, I'll tell you that. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we are. Hopefully the motor stays. Just throw this bad Larry over here. There we go. Come on. Now time to go get the pickup. Alright guys, I got the pickup, pulled into the shop, got the motor here on the pallet jack, getting ready to, just making sure everything looks good, making sure everything's gonna go together correctly. I'm getting ready to drop it back in the truck now. So the trans is already in here. So all I gotta do is go ahead and get the forklift in here and toss her on back in the truck. So, well, that was a mission and a half, but we finally got the motor in there. Time to get started on assembly. Woo. Very cold day, but got the old LS running. Idling really nice. Couple of bugs to work out in the tune now that it's running on all 8. But the 6-liter is running.